Alright, here comes what we've been waiting for all day. L640 took the CSX motors away. Here we go. The rain has been a pest, and it just won't go. It's been raining here in Florence for hours. The thunder and lightning has died down as of now. So with all in the mix, when I ran, I missed IO31 with the Monon. I'm at IO32 with the Monon. I didn't get IO32 at all coming in or out. Sorry guys, just a lot of difficulty. Other trains, having to do other things. It gets in the way and throws a wrench in what you really want to do. So I do apologize about that one. But look at it this way, guys. We got the important one. And it's this one that's right here in front of us. Goal is to try and get this train leaving out. I could have just put you guys on a tripod. That way it would have been a steel shot. I wasn't thinking it out. Because it is raining in my hair. Just about looks like an ethanol train, because all these are flammable tankers. But it's a mixed freight train. cleared that last crossing down there, so long train to come. Is it blurry? If it cuts out, guys, just know the storage ran out. This is why I try to get a phone that had a 200 something gigabyte, but of course the stores only offer what they have, and certainly for a person like me, you don't get what you want. Sucks. And then when you're behind in videos and you're the only one that's doing this by yourself, and you operate this by yourself, it's hard. Doing it along with a lot of life things, including when you have relatives in the family that are sick and lots of other things.